Hey, here's one from Rolf.
Dear Kermit, how's the frog? I'm in Delaware, and I found a terrific job in management. I'm surrounded by friends, and I love what I'm doing.
I am Mr. Skeffington. One of my secretaries made a reservation for the weekend in the name of Snookums.
Oh, yeah.
This is Snookums.
Daddy wants his little Snooky-Yookums to be especially good this weekend while Daddy is gone, or he'll be very angry.
Don't worry. We'll take good care of her.
Him.
We'll take good care of him.
Snookums is a him. Snookums gets breakfast at 8 a.m. exactly.
Okay.
Breakfast is quiche.
Yes, sir.
Well, aren't you going to write it down?
Photographic memory.
Write it down.
Dog gets quiche at 8. Whatever that is.
Marvin, put him on the desk. Do you have any toys around here?
What kind of toys would you like, sir?
Doggy toys. Rubber balls, rubber fire hydrants, rubber newspapers. Snookums prefers the rubber Wall Street Journal to the rubber Washington Post.
Don't we all?
Write it down.
Yeah, rubber Wall Street Journal. Right.
Now while Daddy is gone, little lumpy dum-dums won't have his daddy to give him washy scrubby.
Very impressive. You speak Chinese like a native.
Now, shake hands.
Beg pardon?
Shake, shake.
Oh, yeah.
Good boy. Now, sit.
Yes, sir.
Stay. 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 Stay.
That was the most humiliating experience of my life.
Hey, Snooky! Hey, look at little Snooky Yookums!
Snooky Wookums won't his little bony, won't it?
Little Binky Booter!
Hey, you squishy bottom!
Hey, lay off him, will you?
Ralph, hey, Ralph, come on, let us out of here.
We want to go home! Yeah, Ralph, come on, we want to go home! Let us out! Let us go home!
Yeah, me too. Oh.